मैं सुबह से खेल रहा हूँ।
I have been playing since morning.
मैं सुबह से नहीं खेल रहा
I
हूँ।
have not been playing since morning.
क्या मैं सुबह से खेल रहा हूँ?
Have I been playing since morning?
क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं खेल रहा
Have
हूँ?
I not been playing since morning?
मैं सुबह से क्या खेल रहा हूँ?
What have been playing?
What have I?
What have I playing since? What have I been playing since morning?
मैं सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहा
What
हूँ?
have I not been playing since morning?
आप सुबह से खेल रहे हैं।
You have been playing since morning.
आप सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे
You
हैं।
have not been playing since morning.
क्या आप सुबह से खेल रहे हैं?
Have you been playing?
Have you?
Have you been playing since morning?
क्या आप सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे हैं?
Have you not been playing since morning?
आप सुबह से क्या खेल रहे हैं?
What have you been playing since morning?
आप सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहे हैं?
What have you not been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से खेल रहे हैं।
We have been playing since morning.
हम सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे
We
हैं।
have not been playing since morning.
क्या हम सुबह से खेल रहे हैं?
We
Have
we playing?
Have you been?
Have you been playing?
Have we बोलिए।
Have we been playing since morning?
क्या हम सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे हैं?
Have we not been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से क्या खेल रहे हैं?
What have we been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहे हैं?
What have we not been playing since morning?
वे सुबह से खेल रहे हैं।
They have been playing since
वे
morning.
सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे
They
हैं।
have not been playing since morning.
क्या वे सुबह से खेल रहे हैं?
Have they been playing since morning?
क्या वे सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे हैं?
Have they not been playing since morning?
वे सुबह से क्या खेल रहे हैं?
What have they playing since
What have
morning?
they been?
What have they been playing since
वे
morning?
सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहे हैं?
What have they not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से खेल रहा है।
He has been playing since morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रहा
He
है।
has not been playing since morning.
क्या वह सुबह से खेल रहा है?
Has he been playing since morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रहा है?
Has he not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या खेल रहा है?
What has he been playing?
What has he
What has he playing since?
been?
What has he been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहा है?
What has he not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से खेल रही है।
She has playing since
She
morning.
has been.
She has been playing since morning.
जब भी प्लेइंग लगा रहे हैं उससे पहले भी लगेगा ना, सॉरी बिफोर लगेगा ना बीन के साथ। तो वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रही है।
She has not been playing since morning.
क्या वह सुबह से खेल रही है?
Has she been playing since morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रही है?
Has she not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या खेल रही है?
What has she playing since?
बीन।
What has she been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रही है?
What has she not been playing since morning?